Look at this if you are considering gold. Gold is a treasured commodity which is universally valued, and contains been since its discovery centuries ago. Everyone loves gold whilst they all don't understand how to acquire it. When you are available in the market to get gold, then please read on for several helpful tips on how to find some good gold. When selling gold, it may be beneficial to obtain an estimated value from multiple sources. Gold buyers and jewelry stores are out to generate a profit, so they'll all pay less than the particular worth of the gold you're selling. When you seek more than one estimate, a decent price will likely be more attainable. You can't beat bullion bars for any solid gold investment. They are available in various weights. They may vary from a half an ounce to bars that weigh 400 ounces. 400-ounce bars will likely be difficult to locate. If you're selling gold using a mail-in service, do your homework on the company along with its policies before you make a commitment. Make sure you understand the best time to expect payment and how to insure your items. Finally, have a picture of all things you might be investing in the mail just in case there is a dispute at a later time. Scrap gold is an excellent investment when you are dealing with limited investment money. Following a year of buying just a little gold each payday, you might get a valuable assortment of scrap gold. Store your scrap gold in the secure location until you are ready to offer it. Once you buy some gold jewelry for an additional person, make certain they have a refund policy. You need a guarantee on any gold you acquire. It's always a great idea to be capable of getting your money back on the jewelry purchase if it doesn't work out for you personally. If you are likely to sell your scrap gold at neighborhood shops, have a look at several. Even though the market spot gold price is the national standard, not all the stores will probably pay it. Local stores that don't have outrageous overhead just might pay out more for the gold. If you're selling a gold item that has value beyond the weight in gold, you need to choose whether to sell the piece for its intrinsic value or its melt value. If you are selling to pawn shops or most private sellers, expect them to offer the melt value. This shouldn't deter you selling your gold, as there is probably a buyer around happy to buy for collector value. Ensure you are aware of the spot cost of gold the time you plan to get or sell. This is often seen at numerous websites, but remember it may often change. Don't buy anything marked up over 8% on this. Occasionally an unethical dealer may attempt to overcharge their potential customers. Consider giving gold money a go for gold purchases. It's like opening a bank account which trades in gold. You can open a merchant account, fund it, after which determine what price you want to pay money for gold allocation. Your gold sits in a vault until you decide what you intend to do with it next. It is essential to understand that market before becoming active within it. All markets have their flaws, and the gold one is no exception. Lots of people will scam you if given the chance. Make sure to be mindful and do your homework. It is a good idea to examine together with the Better Business Bureau prior to cope with a gold broker. You ought to locate fairly easily basic facts regarding the specific business, and also complaints and reviews from previous clients. Heed any complaints to determine if the company resolved them or otherwise not. If they have a huge amount of complaints or many which are unresolved, you should consider an alternative business. Separate your gold by carat weight. A vendor may scam you by weighing the things you have together by the lowest weight in carat. This can cheat you of cash. Have everything organized to increase the money you will get. Before you purchase gold, understand the dealer. Consult with the Better Business Bureau to ensure the trustworthiness of a dealer. Communicate with the BBB to locate specifics of which complaints, if any, happen to be filed. If complaints are already filed, use another dealer. Gold has gone up by 400% within the last decade. That is great news for gold owners. Nobody knows whether it be smart to invest in gold at this time or perhaps not, though. If the dollar loses value, the need for gold increases. Be sure you learn ways to test the grade of gold you are interested in purchasing. Carats are utilized to rate the purity of gold. The higher the carat number, the costlier plus more pure the gold will probably be per ounce. You should not just depend on the carat stamp. When you can test the purity, you will never overpay. Purchasing gold in the average person is one method to get the best deals. You need to take into consideration any risks involved, though. So, provide you with the coin appraised. When someone is selling a coin for bargain basement prices and you have some reason to think they're not ripping you off, you may skip the appraisal and hope you're not much of a sucker. You just might keep small gems from your gold item once it has been melted down. In the event the gems are tiny, though, they will be difficult to remove. Most places would like small gems since they're not worth much right after the jewelry is melted. A very common approach to buy gold involves purchasing coins in the US Mint that were made before 1933. Until 1933, the American market saw gold coins in circulation. What finished up happening was people held on to these coins, plus they can nevertheless be bought today. Gold is regarded as valuable by a lot of people, also it can be traded without much difficulty. Gold is useful to invest in because it has a consistent value and also increases. Seeing that you're more informed about gold, you can begin setting up a collection today.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.